Hello friends, I'm back with another veg recipe that needs only 3 ingredients and some spices. All you need is okra, onion and some ginger. So let's get started. In a pan, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and then add chopped fresh okra. Remember, do not use the frozen ones. Saute them on a medium to high heat for 3 to 5 minutes or until these are slightly turning brown. Add salt to taste and saute them again. You can see these are turning slightly brownish. I'm going to add crushed ginger, roughly about 3 inch or you can say 1 to 2 tablespoons. Okras are now partially cooked. I'm going to add 2 medium sliced onions. Now I got 1 fresh chopped green chili for some extra spice and crunch. This is optional, you can skip this part. Before adding spices, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon oil. This will enhance the flavor of the spices. The spices I'm adding are half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, half a teaspoon paprika powder and half a teaspoon curry powder. If at any stage okras are looking a little bit drier while cooking, feel free to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. It will give you a nice crispy touch to it. Cook until the onions are caramelized and okras are soft but crispy. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss my future videos. Thank you so much for watching.